Lots of active weather to start our holiday weekend. It was on Tuesday into Wednesday. Now we've got another round that will be affecting your travel Saturday evening through Sunday morning. Winter weather advisory goes into effect Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, expires at 1 a.m. on Sunday. And that means we're going to have low to moderate impacts right there in the middle. That's what a winter weather advisory means. So if you got some travel up to the north, you might want to start a little bit earlier or wait until late in the day on Sunday to do so. The storm system itself is way back in the Denver, Colorado area. The area of precipitation coming across the Midwest is actually going to somewhat fall apart as it gets a little bit closer to lower Michigan. This low pressure system is going to take almost a due east track. It'll be near the tri-state border by Monday. There's not going to be a lot of wind with this, and what wind we do have will be affecting the Wisconsin shoreline this time around. You can see where the highest impacts will be across the northern tier of the country. We have a winter weather advisory generally north of I-96. Here are your travel impacts. Here's what's going to be happening here tonight from Minneapolis all the way back to north of Denver. And you notice it's from Minneapolis to Rapid City northward. We're going to start to see some impacts here in West Michigan tomorrow night. You can see right around there with that purple color. That's the highest impacts. Generally north of I-96 through very late Saturday night into Sunday morning, but it will be a snowy, icy event. And as we go through the day on Sunday, the impacts will be dropping just about everywhere as that low pressure system kind of falls apart. 34 right now in Grand Rapids. Our temperatures will drop into the upper 20s to low 30s, but no impacts from any weather here tonight and for a good portion of the day tomorrow. Most of it will be coming tomorrow night. We may see some rain and snow showers during the day, but heavier rain here in Grand Rapids, Muskegon, and Holland throughout the night, and then just a few scattered rain and snow showers on Sunday. And you're going to like next week's weather. It's going to be very quiet. We'll take a closer look at how much precipitation is expected and when. That's a little later on. At the beginning of this holiday week, we talked about two impact storms, one that affected your Tuesday night and Wednesday travel, and we've got another one on the way, this time for Saturday night. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have some rain and some ice and even some snow in sight. Majority of that will be tomorrow night. It's also green, no change to the colder weather pattern foreseen, at least for a few more days. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace Hardware stores. We forecast 39 today. It made 36 so far. That's 11 days in a row with your plus or minus 3-degree guarantee. Only had 2 misses this month. Snow to rain showers on Saturday. That's at least here in the Grand Rapids, Muskegon, and Holland areas, and they'll be just widely scattered. Breezy east winds this time around with gusts to 30 plus, but that will affect the Wisconsin shoreline, not the Michigan shoreline. There will be some ice and snow, especially north Saturday night with increasingly difficult travel. And then on Sunday, things begin to wind down. Just some rain and snow showers here and there. Next week, dry and seasonable. You can see our chances of precipitation go up in the afternoon here in Grand Rapids. By evening, we'll have numerous rain showers here. Heading over to the Michigan football game at noon here tomorrow. Big game going on. Maybe some rain and snow showers, but chilly rain for the second half of that game. And Michigan State kicking off at 3:30. Mostly just rain because temperatures again will be above freezing in the mid-30s. Not real great late November days, however. Impacts from this latest storm will be generally north. Winter weather advisory goes into effect tomorrow night north of I-96. Winter storm watch up north. They'll probably decide on a warning or an advisory. And there's warnings across much of northern Wisconsin and the UP and portions of Minnesota. There's even a blizzard warning expected around the Duluth area. This light precipitation going to kind of fall apart. It's going to reform during the day tomorrow, and so we're going to see the impacts tomorrow night here. Just cloudy skies overnight. This is through 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. You notice some sprinkles of rain and maybe even some snowflakes mixed in. Not a lot going on in the first half of the day, and even in the afternoon, we just get a passing rain or snow shower. So most of the daylight hours going to be dry. That's going to change tomorrow night. This is 11 o'clock. Right in through here, this is a mixture of some rain and snow, maybe even some ice mixed in on that. 2 o'clock in the morning, you see where that line is? From about the Pentwater to Fremont area, maybe as far south as Greenville. Continues into Sunday morning, and then Sunday afternoon, things quiet down. That's the center of the low right in through here, moving right overhead. So we're not going to see the strongest winds here. That will be over in Wisconsin. In terms of the rain and the snow and ice, we've kind of mixed the two together to show you where the impacts will be. Nothing here during the day tomorrow until tomorrow evening. Off to the north, this is where the heaviest ice will occur between about 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. Notice anywhere between a third and maybe a little over 1/3 of an inch of ice with maybe an inch or two of snow as well. That'll all be to the north of the greater Grand Rapids area. Here, we are going to see mainly rain. Nothing pretty much here during the day tomorrow. We'll have to wait until tomorrow night to see the bulk of the rain come on through. We could be receiving anywhere between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch of rain in Kent, Ottawa, and Muskegon counties. Now, the long-range outlook has a change in our weather pattern, as we were indicating. This is from December 14th through the 27th. Look at this high probability of warmer than average temperatures, and we're smack dab in the middle of that. So that's the days leading up to Christmas. Also, a higher chance that we'll see more precipitation, and usually during that particular time, we usually get about 9 inches worth of snow over that 2-week period. Forecast then for tomorrow, the daylight hours, it'll be cloudy, maybe a rain or snow shower, breezy here with an east wind, upper 30s to maybe even 43 in South Haven. Up north, mid-30s here. A few light rain and snow showers. Things change though tomorrow night. And from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at cloudy skies, highs in the mid-30s, a passing rain or snow shower with all rain here Saturday night. 13 on your side forecast. Dry weather Monday all the way through most of next weekend. We may not see any precipitation until next Sunday night and Monday.